This episode we will talk about your data quality. Because when you start a BI project with BI for Dynamics, then the data are validated. The data in your Dynamics are matching the BI data. Over the time, you may develop the model. And how are you sure that data are still okay and that you do a self-check before the users tell you, we don't trust this data anymore. So let's have a look how we at BI for Dynamics do this. BI model these days are complex and they are getting more complex every day. If I show you, this is a customer view, the most important part of customer dimensions. You can see how many lines of code or how many contributing tables there are in order to create dimension customer. Now, what if something goes wrong? So for example, if I put into this model address, and as soon as there will be another address, which is time dependent, and Dynamics can keep multiple addresses for one customer, then the BI model will explode. There will be more customer with the same primary key. And as a result, the receivables and sales data will also be wrong. They'll be too big. So what do we do in order to keep the data quality under control? So BI for Dynamics has a bunch of SQL scripts that control that everything that goes into the model, which is the staging area, counts the same row number as at the end of the transformation in a data warehouse. So this is what we are doing for dimensional tables, and the difference should be 0. The same we do the check for transactional tables or facts. These are operational tables. These are financial tables, some retail table. And at the end, we also check that the sum of all transactions for inventory, payables, and receivables equals the last child value. This is very important so that if you are doing a lot of development, you should run these tests before you start developing and at the end. We at BI for Dynamics are using these tests also in our robotic tests. So if we look into what this means it is shown here. So we have different tests in the working and framework environment where we are comparing static and dynamic results. And a part of this comparison here are also the model health checks, where if the results of this testing are 0, then we are sure that this revision that has been executed in this test has performed this phase of the test well. If all the tests are okay, then we know that this revision is ready. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.